Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I wanted to make a few nostalgic plushies since I'm on a trip down memory lane and I remembered Neopets and their McDonald's toys back in the day. One of them was a Speckled Negg, so I thought I'd try and recreate that in this video today. Here's a list of everything you'll need. I'm only going to be using felt and I won't be replicating it exactly how the toy was, but this is pretty close to the original. The pattern is linked down below for my DeviantArt. Once you've cut out all of the shapes you need, the amount of speckles is subjective to how many you want, but I just wrote what I used. The first thing we're going to do is to take two of the 4 sphere shapes and sew along the middle on the side with the tracing facing up. Repeat this for the second 2 spheres. Then begin sewing all of the speckles in an erratic pattern on the side without tracing using matching thread and a running stitch. Sewing the 2 sides together makes it so you can sew speckles in the middle of the seams easily. Repeat this for the second side. Try your best to keep the amount of speckles on each of the sides evenly covered. Once you're done, fold these 2 sides into a bowl shape with the tracing facing up and tuck the little Negg stem into the top so it faces in. Secure the stem in place by sewing around the tracing and continue the stitch along. Once you're almost at the end, flip the plush speckled side up and stuff the plushie generously. Then, conceal the open end with a ladder stitch. And that is how you make a Speckled Negg. This is a super easy tutorial and I definitely wouldn't mind making some more complex Neopets plushies. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I post new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!